morning. Myself Naveen. I'm working as a staff from for 2 years from Saira Autograph. So today we are going to do a DY training on vehicles for how to remove the clutch cable and how to adjust the chain. So maybe this video will be helpful for many customers who own a Royal Enfield or any upcoming travels and through which they travel very much. So it will be very useful for them. So we just invited every customer to do so DY training as if it is called do it yourself training. So we have noticed it, so you can check on it. Thank you. Today, in the sense, owning a Royal Enfield, suppose if there is any issue with your vehicle during the riding condition or riding the cable has been cut. So we are going to show you what the procedure to do, what is the procedure to change, and how to be changed. So one of the staff will explain you. In the sense, I will explain you. He will show the procedure what to do. So everyone, can you please come here? You have to use 18 and 19 spanner to loosen the clutch. After that, remove the rubber. You have to remove the upper cover rubber. 10-12 spanner. You have to loosen the pole completely. If you remove the single bolt, everything will be removed, and the tug which we have put there, you have to remove the both. You can see there, right? You have to remove the both the tags. And you have to press this one so that the upper part will be loosened up. You can see here. So it will be easy to remove the clutch from there, and you have to pull it to the downwards. That's it. So you have to remove the rubber from the head assembly. So it will be easy to remove the clutch cable. That's it. And this is how you remove the clutch cable. And again, we will show you how to fix it in your vehicle. Again, you put the rubbers for the headlight assembly, and we have to attach the pin to the head choke. And replace the rubber how you have received it. Removed and received. The same way you have to tighten the bolt. And put the rubber again, dust rubber. and use a 18-19 spanner to again tighten up to catch the clutch. And after fixing the clutch cable, you have to put the tags which you have removed before. No. Make sure that you won't hurt your hand because the silencer will be heat condition. Then you have to check for the free play. Once the clutch cable is completely hardened up, there is a chances of clutch assembly getting burned very soon. You have to keep the free play. You have to adjust the clutch to this LH cover only, not to the cable and yoke. Because there is no option to adjust over here. You have to adjust at the down itself. You have to clutch. You have to turn the steering to the left and check for the free play. This should be a free play, 3 to 5 mm play. At the straight and to the left side and both to your right. There should be a play. Why the free play is needed in the sense that during the traffic conditions, among the customer would keep the clutch in the tight condition, ride it. Within 1 kilometer, 2 meters, there's a chances of clutch assembly getting burned. So you have to spend almost 3 to 5,000 rupees for that one, including clutch assembly and oil and all. So that's the reason we used to keep the free play. But some of the customers, they don't know because during the riding condition it will be a little bit different to them. Some of them prefer half clutch because there's a chances of initial pickup will be more, but the future days the clutch assembly will be damaged. Most probably all customer ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿರಾ ಮೇನ್ ಇದೆ ಚೈನ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ 1000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ once ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 days once ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೈನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ನೌಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೀಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಟೀಚ್, ಈ ಟೀಚ್ ಇದು ಹೊಡೆದೋಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
chain cleaner.
ಇದು ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್, ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್, ಅದು ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್.
ಇದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಆಯಿಲ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೈನ್ ಬೇಗ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಥರೈಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಇವಾಗ ಚೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ವೀಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ವಾಟ್ will happen is the chances of your hand will be damaged. So if you turn in the clockwise position, your whole hand won't be damaged and even if you clean it correctly. So you have to keep any cloth or brush.
And be careful.
Again anti-clockwise, you have to turn that wheel. You have to use the cleaner twice. You have to use the cleaner twice because in one clean it doesn't go completely. You have to clean it twice. And you have to check for the free play of the chain. 12 to 15, you know.
It's good only.
It's a chain lubricant. Why we apply the lubricant inside at the edges? Because there will be O-rings inside that. That should get lubricated. Then only the chain, the laser should be bent. Suppose we are not lubricated on the correct part, the chain stays straight but it doesn't bend.